Hey hackers, what's up? Before we get started though, a huge thanks to our sponsors, Lalo and OpenBSD Amsterdam. Before we get started, make sure you've already set up doas.conf. If you haven't done that yet, check out our video how to configure DOAs. Next, run the following command. Nothing is pre-installed by default. That's intentional. Keeping the attack surface small is part of the security model. You install only what you need when you need it, depending on the phase of the operation you're in. And that's it. Welcome to the Paranoid Club. Huge shout out to Banshee, Heartbleed, X0 Dark, Out of Creativity, and BSD Bandit. Special thanks to the amazing people at Chaos Computer Club, Electronic Disturbance Theater, and Exploit Team. Let's hack the planet.